Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in diamond black crystal pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 3.2 liter V6 riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your front and rear tow hooks, fog lights and daytime running lights, roof rails, and power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else this Jeep has to offer. We're going to take a look in the front first. This Jeep does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket and the vehicle is locked, just press that button and the vehicle will unlock for you. Taking a look in the door, you have some nice storage space on the bottom, and above it are your power locks, windows, and mirrors. And to the right of the door, you do have your lighting options and your liftgate button, equipped with black leather and red stitching. And on the bottom, you have your power seating adjustment buttons. Now let's hop inside. Start this Jeep up. It is a push to start. Just put your foot on the brake and press that engine start button behind the wheel. First thing we're going to do is look on the left side of the steering wheel. You have these arrows here, and this will just help you navigate through your multi-information display located right there. Beneath you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system, and on the right you have your cruise control settings. And before we move on to our entertainment display, let's just quickly show you that this Jeep does have 3,564 kilometers on it. Moving on to our screen here right now, we're on the apps. If we go ahead and press media, you connect your phone through Bluetooth. You also have navigation, view map, and that will enlarge for you. You can also view your climate control settings through the screen here. And lastly, we do have that backup camera with guidelines. Moving down to our climate control settings, it is a dual zone, so the temperatures can be adjusted on both sides, and the temperature does show on top left and top right. Underneath you have your different drive modes, USB auxiliary 12-volt outlet, your shifter, 2 cup holders. Let's take a look in the glove box, the center console. Plenty of space in there. And lastly, the actual glove box. Lots of room in there. Spacious, does come with your owner's manual as well. Now let's just close that right up. Taking a look in the back before we hop into cargo. Just like the driver's side door, we have some storage on the bottom. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black leather seating. Behind the 2 front seats, you do have these nice pockets for some extra storage. And if we pop this bad boy down, you do have 2 cup holders and a nice little armrest. And lastly, these seats do fold down. You just press that, and that'll give you access to your cargo. So to open up, all you got to do is press and hold this button on your key fob, and that power liftgate will open on its own. Nice and easy. Lots of cargo space in this Cherokee. Of course, this second row seating does fold down, like I mentioned. That'll provide some extra bit of cargo space. And lastly, if we look underneath here, you do have your spare tire and all the tools to change that if that ever goes out. So to close up, we got this button on the side. Taking a last look at our 2019 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated leather seats, navigation, backup camera, and hands-free calling. There's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Avenue, St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk-around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.